Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
गोंयांत आतां मेरेन 3.5 लाखांवयर कोविड वाशिनां दिल्यांत. मणिपालांत 18 वर्सां वयल्यांक कोव्हॅक्सिन दिवंक सुरवात केल्या. कोविन पोर्टल वा आरोग्य सेतू ॲपार नोंदणी करूनच वाशिनां घेवची म्हण उलो.
Manipal Hospital started vaccinating Covaxin for about 18 people. Today we have vaccinated 150 people. One important part you have to remember, it cost around 1,350 because the Covaxin is sold to Manipal Hospital by the company at the rate of 1,200 per dose. So on 150 is the additional cost which we for transport and other things. All the appointments has to be taken only on COVID portal or Arogya Setu. It is extremely important to realize that Manipal has no say in giving appointments. You have to go on the COVID portal, you have to upload your Aadhaar data and other things whatever is needed, and then you get a not only registration but you get an appointment. Either you will give a morning slot or afternoon slot. Appointments are not with the hospital but it is on the COVID portal. So please don't come to the hospital and tell us to give appointment. You have to come with the appointment from the COVID portal. Then only we can upload it. Otherwise the portal just does not upload your data.
रेजिडेंट दोतोरांनी सुरक्षे खातीर जीएमसी वाठारांत पुलीस दवरल्यात. कोविडान सोंपिल्ल्यांची फामील आंगार येता म्हण दोतोर प्रोटेक्शन मागताले. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.